Give us a special camera system any day of the week, and you'll be sure to keep us entertained. Few brands do unusual imaging setups quite like Nubia, and with the latest Z70 Ultra, we have another combo of focal lengths that no one can quite match. Together with some more cutting-edge hardware, the newest 35mm camera is packaged in a standout body, making for an overall very appealing proposition. But just how good is it in reality? The Nubia Z70 Ultra is another iteration of parent company ZTE's quest on making the ultimate 35mm camera phone. This time around, they've added a variable aperture to the main camera's lens, updated the telephoto to allow close focusing, and fitted an ultra-wide camera with some extra wide coverage. Few good things come without trade-offs though, and we'll need to see what the engineers had to sacrifice. No sacrifices were made in the chipset department. The newest Snapdragon 8 Elite ticking inside the Z70 Ultra, and Nubia also joins the industry's move towards silicon-carbon batteries. The trendy IP69 rating also makes it to the blocky body, itself made particularly eye-catching in this optional Starry Night colorway. Also hard to miss, or is it hard to spot, is the lack of a selfie camera hole in the display. Improving on the under-display solution is another of the company's ongoing pursuits.